In front of me is NUBIA Air, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now you can either click on this icon of a microphone at the top left corner, or hold this one at the bottom left corner. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use this button with a microphone. If you wish to delete text on the go, use this button with an X on the right. To access some voice typing options, click on this gear on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!